Please press red color subscribe button and please press the bell icon button for the more updates. Today we will talk about how to take care of your face or your skin during winter, because facial skin is a very sensitive and delicate during winter but takes quite a beating in terms of exposure to weather, chemicals and pollution. The winter time is particularly harsh to skin in cold climates as the skin tends to lose moisture. There are several ways to prepare for winter's effects on facial skin as well as dealing with the winter time skincare. So today I will tell you in a different ways and how you can take care of your skin. Then let's start the video. So first we will talk about the hydrate. Healthy, moisturized and supple facial skin is impossible during any month of the year without proper body hydration. But by take care of your skin, hydration needs throughout the year, you will enter winter with your skin its optimal condition. Hydration beings from inside and outside. Our bodies are comprised mostly of water and we need to take in a large quantity of water each day to replenish what we lose throughout sweat and waste and energy. So don't forget to take lot of waters during winter also, not compulsory in the summers, but you should take a lot of water during winters for healthy skin. Second, we will talk about protect your skin during winter. Using sunscreen every day throughout the year, particularly in the sunniest months, helps to protect your skin from sun damage, which in turn gives you the best chances healthy skin going into the winter. On days when you don't plan to spend much time outdoors, use an SPF 15 or 30 sunscreen as part of your daily skincare routine, especially on your face. Use an SPF 50 if you will be outdoors for more than an hour. If you are not sure what level of SPF to use, remember that SPF numbers tell you how many times you can be in a direct sun without burning. If not, sunscreen means you can be outdoors 1 minute without sun damage, and SPF 15 means you have 15 minutes before you would have a sun damage. Some makeup products like foundation or tinted moisturizer contain sunscreen also, but the thin layer that is typically applied does not provide enough coverage on its own. Be sure you apply sunscreen before applying makeup. To avoid a greasy or caked appearance, let the sunscreen soak in for a few minutes before adding the makeup. Third, we will talk about choose a mild cleanser, because during winter our skin is more sensitive. So we should try for choose a alcohol free cleanser, because if the facial soap you choose level your skin feeling tight, dry or with a squeamy clean feeling, find a different one. And I will suggest you, if you have a sensitive skin, rough skin, oily skin, then Cetaphil cleanser is a best option, because Cetaphil cleanser is a all skin types cleanser, is a very mild cleanser which didn't irritate your skin. And if you don't have acne issues or other skin issues, using a small bit amount of coconut oil is enough to cleanse the skin. It is a very mild and has the additional benefits of moisturizer your skin also. To use take small amount of coconut oil in your fingertips and massage all over your face. Then after that you can clean your face with face wash and then water. Then your skin will be very moisturized and clean also. Find the right moisturizer. This will vary depending on your skin type, but in general heavier creams are best for dry, cold winter months. Your warm weather moisturizer is unlikely to be effective in the winter months. Many people who use a light moisturizer in spring and summer need a heavier cream or ointment for winter. Don't be afraid about use oil on your face. Many people believe that oil in face products would cause acne, but new products containing oil such as jojoba oil, sweet almond, avocado oil, argan and coconut oil have flipped this logic on its head. Look for ointment or cream that is oil based rather than water based for best winter moisturizer. If you have a sensitive skin, look for products that are basically fragrance free and alcohol free, such as fragrance can cause irritation, itchiness and dry patches. We will talk about consider a heavier moisturizer for nighttime use. The nighttime is a great time to allow your skin to rest and absorb extra moisture to prepare for the coming day. Additionally, indoor heaters can cause a lot of dryness on the face overnight, so heavier moisturizer can ward that off. Consider a oil treatment such as pure argan oil or a nighttime facial moisturizer mask, which is essentially a heavy cream. So please remember, you should apply moisturizer, a heavy moisturizer at night time. We will talk about avoid excessive facial treatment. Peels, masks and scrubs used in winter months can simply irritate it already in winter skin. Use them minimally or not at all. Scrubs in particular can be damaging to the surface on the skin. Avoid those that contain light particle walnut shells as well as those that contains plastic microbeads which do not decompose and pose a threat to wildlife as they wash down the drain. If you do use a scrub, use a gentle one that contains exfoliative particles made from sodium bicarbonate which will be dissolved as you wash it down the drain. And be sure if you use a toner that is alcohol free, as alcohol is a very drying to the skin. Next, don't forget about your lips. Use a lip balm every day to prevent chapping, particularly those formulated with vitamin E. You will be outdoor at all, especially during the hour of 10 am to 3 am. So you should apply a SPF lip balm also. So the lips are most delicate and tend to become a chapped due to dehydration, harsh winter winds and dry air. Prevent these problems with the light precautions. So don't forget about apply a lip balm. Next, we will talk about increase your moisturizing level. So we should apply a moisturizer after 4 hours, because during winters our skin becomes so much dry. After 2 hours 3 hours we'll apply a moisturizer. You can use more than one product and extra moisturizer, so don't forget to apply moisturizer for stepping out, and you can apply moisturizer at night time also. It become a more supple and soft your skin during winter. And this is my few tips and tricks which you can use in during winter. So if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So till then, bye and take care.